Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the icons on iOS 18 to dark dimmed icons. To enable dark icons on iOS 18, press and hold on free space on your home screen, then tap on Edit, then Customize, and now you can see that you can set small or large icons, and you can set these icons to automatic, dark, light, or tinted. I'm gonna choose tinted, and now choose the color, and the vibrance of that color. And now you can see that all of my icons are tinted. They are loading and they have been loaded. Now all of them are tinted. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.